In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Hostinger Webmail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Use the modern browser and make sure you have a secure connection, indicated by the padlock in the address bar. This helps protect your login credentials while you sign in. On the Hostinger page, locate the webmail or email access link. If you already have a direct webmail URL or a bookmark, you can use that to get there quickly. Otherwise, follow the email or hosting section to find the webmail login option. Once you reach the webmail sign-in form, enter your full email address exactly as it was created. Including the full address with the domain is important. Omitting the domain can prevent authentication. After typing your full email address, enter the password associated with that mailbox. Take care with capitalization and any special characters. If you use a password manager, let it fill these fields to reduce the chance of typos. When both fields are filled, click the Log In button to proceed. If the credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your webmail inbox. You can also access webmail through the Hostinger control panel if you prefer managing everything from one place. Log into your Hostinger account, then go to the Emails page. On the Emails page, find mailboxes next to the domain you manage. From the list of mailboxes, click Webmail beside the specific mailbox you want to access. This opens the same webmail sign-in interface, where you should enter your full email address and the mailbox password, then click Login. If you run into trouble signing in, double-check that you're using the full correct email address and the right password. If you've forgotten your password, use the account recovery or password reset options provided by Hostinger. Also verify that your domain's email service is active and that there are no service outages by checking Hostinger's status page or support resources. For added safety, remember to log out when you finish, especially on shared or public computers. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Hostinger account if available, and use a strong, unique password for each mailbox. These practices help keep your email secure and make logging in a smooth, reliable process every time.